Hello students, I am Rohita Singh Chauhan and I am here for discussing on the topic of Introduction to IC Technology. In this topic, we are having our next slide. Czochralski growth is the topic. Now, Czochralski growth, or simply say CZ growth, involves a phase change from the solid, liquid or gas phase to crystalline solid phase. Molten Si is contained in a crucible which is heated using resistive heating. A seed crystal of the required orientation is lowered into the melt until its end is molten. Then slowly it is pulled out, resulting in a single crystal growing by progressive freezing at the liquid-solid interface. For uniform growth of the crystal and sometimes crucible too is rotated. The solidification of atoms take place at the interface. The speed of growth is determined by the number of sites on the face of crystal and the species of heat transfer at the interface. Now the factors of CZ growth are pull rate and growth rate. Growth rate of crystal is actually distinct from the pull rate. Pull rate is the macroscopic indication of net solidification rate, while growth rate is the instantaneous solidification rate. The two differ because of temperature fluctuations near the interface. The growth rate can exceed the pull rate or even be negative at given time. When the growth rate is negative, remelting is said to occur. This is the crystal dissolves back into the melt. The growth rate affects the defect structure and dopant concentration in crystal on microscopic scale. How the pull rate affects the defects properties of seeded crystal. The condensation of thermal point defects into small dislocation loops occurs at the crystal cooling from the solidification temperature. This process occurs at 950 degrees centigrade. The number of defects depend on the cooling rate, which is function of cooling temperature and diameter. Now we are having segregation coefficient. The impurities dopants added to melt to obtain a particular resistivity tend to segregate at solid liquid interface faces. That is, solid may be more or less likely to contain an impurity than the liquid more or less. However, due to existence of thermal gradients in the melt, it is found experimentally that segregation coefficient differs from their equilibrium value. So this is all about CZ growth. Thank you.